Okay guys, we're all strapped up and good to go. Thought I'd bring you a bit of POV action just to give you a bit of an insight about my views, what I can see and what I can't see. As you can tell, it's not overly wide. It is requiring a movement order because it's over, here's a test for my knowledge. It's over 2.9 meters wider. I think that's the limit. I may be wrong, but I've got a movement order here. I've just put the route in. We're taking it to the Vaughan Trading Estate, which is the other yard that they use. Now I've got to watch Google now, because he's going to keep trying to change my route. It's the same with another sat nav. Other sat navs will try and change your route all the time, and you have to say no, I don't want to change my route. This poor foreign driver has had to turn around because he can't read that it says road closed. Never mind, now he can go around the orbital. So I've put 3 straps over the top of it. It is a hollow porter cabin, and maybe I could have been better just strapping through the bottom. Maybe I'd have got it a bit tighter, but you know, I've just done it the way we normally do it, and we're not really going very far. I might stop and check that it hasn't come loose, but I might not have to really. It's only going 10 miles. So, well, it's 14 miles according to Google. As the crow flies, it's 10 or 11 miles. So yes, it's nothing too strenuous on the skills. Obviously you've still got to think about what you're doing. You've got to give things a bit more of a berth, but we do that anyway by nature because of our loads with the house factory bearers sticking out. And just to stress, the house factory bearers aren't over the legal width. Just got to make sure that they locate them on the trailer properly, and centrally I should have said, really. Yeah. So yeah, we're just trying to keep away from the trees without encroaching on the other people's lanes too much. They can see we got our flashes on, they can see that we're wide, so if they had any sense about them, they'd be moving over to the curb anyway. Now, according, the movement order hasn't gave us strict roads to use. It's said that it's pointed out the motorways, M5, M54. I'm not sure why the M54 is on there, but never mind. And then it just says suitable A and B roads along the route. So I could, if I wanted to, just drive through Wolverhampton out onto the Birmingham New Road and go that way. This guy isn't indicating. Maybe because he's on his phone. Oh dear, never mind, eh? So yes, this is my view. We're going to go the motorway way. Sorry, I didn't finish that sentence. We're going to go down the motorway, and it is going to take a tad longer, but it saves going through the streets of Wolverhampton and all that kind of jazz. We'll come back through Wolverhampton to save a bit of time. It was only showing about 2 minutes quicker if we did go through Wolverhampton anyway, so it's not going to be that much. Okay, so we ended up getting off at junction 9, coming through Wednesbury. We're now coming up to Dudley Port train station, and the big set of traffic lights coming up, we'll turn left and then go into the Vaughan Trading Estate, which is where we're delivering to. Just gone past a sign saying road ahead closed. I hope it's not the road going into the estate that's closed. Shouldn't be though. The cabin's been pretty well behaved. We've got some of the felt on the top, if you can see. That's been blowing about a little bit, but it hasn't teared or ripped or anything, and nothing's fell off it, so everything is hunky-dory. I've adjusted my mirrors to point them up so I can see the top corners. Again, just so I can keep an eye on that felt and make sure nothing's ripping off and blowing away. Let's hope the other ones are nice and neat like this one as well. So we've just got to watch our swings now on the road signage. I forget what they use. There's another term on super truckers. What do they call it? Decorations? No, the road, I don't know, I can't remember. Either way, we have successfully transported our first porter cabin, and now we've just got to rinse and repeat another couple of times, and that'll be us for today. So thank you all for watching. And I shall see you next time. I'm going to carry on up to the barrier because there's a lorry came in behind me. They might lift the barrier for me, I don't know. Yep. Carry on. Yep. He gave me the all clear. Now last time we delivered round here, so I'm going to wait here actually to find out where they actually want us to deliver to. We can either turn right and go there, but last time we moved them. So you can see the crane. I'll just go and confirm that's where they want me. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all next time.